This, ladies and gentlemen, is the pink champagne margarita. Check it out. Pink sugar, lime slice. Okay, so we rim. Come around, okay? Now we get some fresh ice cubes in there, as opposed to stale ones. Look how pretty our ice is. We specialize in clear ice, man. Come on. Get a little bit of tequila, okay? Follow that tequila up with some triple sec. Yes, sir. Then come behind that triple sec with some pink lemonade. Super simple, super easy. Get some lime slices in there. You could hit it with a little bit of sweet and sour if you want, but that might take away some of the pinkness, but you could, all right? Then we come over the top of this bad boy with some champagne. Look at that. Ooh, 2 devil's horns.